to Simple Home Science. I'm Owen.
I'm Ollie.
And today we're taking a closer look at the reaction between Diet Coke and Mentos mints. You will need any soft drink, but Diet Coke works best. A tube to pour the Mentos mints into the bottle. We made this tube by using a few sheets of paper rolled up and sellotape together.
And the most important thing, Mentos mints.
Diet Coke and Mentos mints react together in a process known as nucleation.
This is a physical reaction and not a chemical reaction.
Soft drinks like lemonade, Fanta and Coke contain carbon dioxide gas dissolved in liquid under pressure. This is what gives these drinks their fizz.
Carbon dioxide is constantly looking and is trying to find a way to escape.
When an object is dropped into the soft drink, bubbles form on the surface of the object. This is known as nucleation. The surface of Mentos mints are made up of lots and lots of tiny craters. All these craters give each Mentos mint a larger surface area. These craters are known as nucleation sites, places the carbon dioxide gas can grab onto and start forming bubbles.
Mentos mints are heavy enough to sink to the bottom of the bottle and react with the liquid all the way to the bottom.
With so many nucleation sites, a great number of bubbles form very quickly. And the pressure forces the bubbles up and out of the bottle in the form of a geyser. Our science vlog on Mentos and Coke.
If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. It really does help the channel out.
And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button! Until next time, bye!
See ya!
This is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more. This is